Good morning, trading fam. We are looking at Bitcoin, and we're looking at on the 30-minute time frame. Currently, right now, if you look at price action, currently what we're seeing is the market made a higher high, right? So it went into a transition period, broke the higher high, made a higher low, made a higher high, made a higher low. That's where we're sort of currently at. And now we're sort of in this funk in between here, between the high and between this low. And we're sort of trying to make a decision on, are we breaking lower or are we going higher? Currently, if you just looked at price action alone on the 30-minute, you would say that we're probably going up. I agree to some level. At the same time, I still have some hesitancies in that matter there. If we jump over to the 5-minute, what I'm sort of seeing at this moment in time is the following. One, we did make another higher high right here. I'll show you that right here, right? And we did break this high right here. So we want to touch higher than here, which then infers to me that we may be possibly driving up in this market from this level here. Where are we driving up to? The last analysis I did said about between the 115 to the 126 range, 115, 117. If that doesn't hold, 126 would be our final resting place until we get more data, whether it's an extension or it's a massive drawdown for $30,000 to $50,000. So that is sort of where I'm sort of situating at this moment in time is, are we breaking up, from here? Or is this level not going to hold and are we going to be breaking down? Now, if this level is breaking down, we need to be mindful of the $100,000 marker, which is I believe it's a very important marker. And then we're going to go back into a level of high support, 98,000 marker there. And if that doesn't hold, then yes, I do see a massive break down to the 80s to the 70K marker. So right here, right now, currently at this moment in time, looking at the 5-minute chart in real time, is currently right now, we need to break the 102,000. So I would even say, just to be polite here, is we would need to break the 102,000 for me to continue to validate going up, right? Which would mean to me that this marker here would be our lower high or higher low as such, which then would infer that we are driving up further into a bull market to our 117 range. That is what I'm currently seeing at this moment in time. Is, are we gonna break and go change transition from up to down on the 5-minute? If so, does that correlate to the 30-minute in driving up higher? So I would be looking at the levels of 102,600 range. If we can break this level here, then to me, it would start confirming that we're still in this bull run to 117. However, if we do see a breakdown of the 101,702 range, this low here, then I would be looking at 100,000, 100,500, and then possibly another jump up from there. So another drive up, or we go back into a decent level of support here, which I'll show you on the 30-minute. This decent level of support here, and are we going to hold? That is the question that I'm sort of trying to figure out. Breakdown, if we do break down 100,000, then the 97,000 range. If those don't hold, then we're definitely going to the 80s to the 70s in that matter there. However, we could possibly be driving up if we can break this wonderful top at 102.6. So that's a sort of a quick little breakdown from the 30-minute to the 5-minute for you, just to sort of give you a gauge on what is happening today with Bitcoin so that you can trade smarter and live better. Hopefully you have a fantastic day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Any questions, send me a DM, like, share, comment, boost. All is appreciative, and goal is to keep creating awesome content that makes a difference, that makes you as a trader better as well as live better and trade smarter. Take care. Have a great day. From my trading desk to yours, Kris from the Mindbloome Exchange.